In a major development from Canada, it is drawing attention in both Canada and India after 3 Indian origin youth from Punjab were sentenced in what police describes as one of the British Columbia's first extortion-related conviction cases. Now, the case centers on a shooting incident that took place in the early hours of February 1st in Surrey, British Columbia. According to investigators, shots were fired at the residence in the Crescent Beach neighborhood. A small fire was then reportedly outside the property, and fortunately, no injuries were reported. Police later linked onto the attack on the ongoing extortion cases, the threats that have become a growing concern about the parts of the province. Now, the 3 accused, Taranveer Singh, Harjot Singh, and Dejit Singh Billing, pleaded guilty in Surrey Provincial Court. Authorities say that all 3 were living in the Canada and at the first time of the incident. Taranveer Singh pleaded guilty to reckless discharge of firearms and received 5 years of prison sentence. And a credit for time already served, he has already been expected to spend nearly 4.5 months after behind the bars. Meanwhile, Dejit Billing and Harjot Singh pleaded guilty to throwing an explosive substance. Both were sentenced to just over 2 years of prison. After accounting for the first time, Billing was spent approximately 20 more months in the custody, and Harjot will be serving 18 more months. So both will have to face 2 years of probation after the release. Investigators say that the arrests were made shortly after the incident by Surrey Police Service after working in anti-extortion teams in a major crime. Now, investigators, this case have been viewed as significant breakthrough in the efforts of tackling the organized crimes, activities linked to extortion threats. Police officials have described these convictions as potentially the first kind of among the several extortion-related investigations currently underway in the British Columbia. Authorities hope that the outcome will encourage more guilty to pleas and successful prosecutions in the similar cases. Well, another important aspect of this case involves immigration consequences. Canadian authorities have indicated that after serving their prison terms, deportation proceedings may be initiated. The Canada Border Service agencies say that the foreign nationals who found inadmissible under the Canadian immigration laws face removal from the country. Now, this case also highlights the growing concerns about the criminal networks operating across communities and then increasingly focus on the Canadian law by enforcement agencies and addressing extortion-related violence. For many observers, the message is clear. Canadian authorities are signaling that violent crimes linked to extortion will be aggressively investigated, prosecuted, regardless of person's immigration status. And this case concludes as it serves as a reminder that criminal convictions can carry consequences that extend far beyond the prison sentences, including the possibility of deportation and a permanent impact on someone's future.